Okay, so before starting, everything should be off. We're gonna want to press all these buttons. You can turn this on. Okay, there's a blinking green light. Okay, now there's a switch on the Toyota right here. Turn that on. And we're gonna hold this big power button for 3 seconds. Okay, and it's gonna start up. These LEDs here are like a battery indicator. They'll change color depending on the battery level. And then there's a big strip along the outside here. You just see them lit up. It looks kind of purple. In real life, it's white. We're going to wait for a certain screen to come on. And after that, we'll wait another 10 seconds. And then what we will do is we will release both of these emergency start buttons. And these big indicators should go yellow for a moment and then blue if everything's good. And then that means we're ready to pair the HSR with the desktop that I'm sitting at over here. And there's one bash script command we have to run. And then we should have RVIZ, part of ROS, to visualize all the sensors on the robot. And also we have our own CARL GUI script that is launched by that bash command as well. Okay, so we should be ready to release this button by twisting it. Give it a good twist, it'll pop up. Same thing with this, kind of hard to do one hand, but there we go.
HSR start.
Okay, these are going to change colors, like I said. Hopefully. There we go, there's the yellow, and it should go blue very shortly after, meaning that everything's okay. It's just checking its sensors. That is fantastic. And so we'll come over here to this computer. We will start a bash terminal. We will launch HSR GUI. And this is going to launch those two things. Here's RVIZ starting up. So we've got all of our sensors. We can see the robot, what it's seeing. You can kind of see me here in the bottom right. Okay, and here is this overlay now is the GUI, the CARL GUI. Okay, so we can move the head here, get a better picture of my mug, and break the fourth wall.